Hello everyone. Are you wondering what side-eye means? Let's explore. Side-eye is a look of disdain, disapproval, or skepticism, often given sideways to express doubt or criticism without saying anything. This nonverbal cue is typically used to convey a reaction to something questionable or untrustworthy. When someone gives a side-eye, they are silently indicating that they are not convinced or are judging the situation or person in a negative light. The gesture has become popular in internet culture, often used in memes and GIFs to humorously capture moments of silent judgment or disbelief. In essence, side-eye is about expressing skepticism or disapproval in a subtle, often sarcastic way, using body language instead of words to convey the message. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.